To fix a Philips TV with a blinking red light, start by understanding what the blinking light indicates. The red light is a warning sign that something is wrong with your TV. It can be caused by a variety of issues, including power problems, overheating, or software glitches. First, try unplugging your TV from the power source and wait for 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve the issue by resetting the TV's power system. If the blinking red light persists, check your TV's power cord and ensure it is securely connected to both the TV and the power outlet. Also, verify that the outlet is working by plugging in another device. Next, check your TV's ventilation system to ensure it is not blocked by dust or other objects. A blocked ventilation system can cause your TV to overheat, leading to the blinking red light. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently clean out any dust or debris from the vents. If your TV is still under warranty, contact Philips support for assistance. They can help you diagnose the issue and provide repair or replacement options. For older TVs or those no longer under warranty, you may need to try more advanced troubleshooting steps. Check your TV's software and ensure it is up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues and lead to the blinking red light. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a professional TV repair technician. They can diagnose and repair more complex issues, such as faulty components or hardware problems. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue causing your Philips TV's blinking red light. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical devices and seek professional help if you are unsure about any step of the process.